Good morning, good afternoon. Let me start today. Let's see. This is the data set we are going to deal today. Movies.csv. This to come know about more about data sets. They are data or data sets. The movies data sets is comprehensive collection of movie related information designed to provide valuable valuable insights into various films. It includes the following key attributes. Before that, let us see how designed in Power BI. From fresh, we will solve that. This is what I am going to do this. Okay, this is a graphical representation of this two fields. One is release date and status. Okay, release date is in x-axis and the status count is in uh, y-axis, and the legend is it says what the movies which are cancelled and which are in production, which are planned and post production release and rumored. All these are categories. Status says about the movies, the status. Okay, and we have another this. Visual here, this multi-layer card layer multi-card layered this graph, visual we call in Power BI. This is what indicated here. The state in introduction is says the in production it says the status of the movie, whether it is in production or released or cancelled. Okay, we can see different here. Okay, cancelled like this, and this is status category, whether it is a status as a category means it is cancelled and release date. Okay, and we have tabular representation also. These three types of data report representation. Okay, this is report representation. We'll see with the movies data set. Okay, and as I was explaining in PDF, this is the PDF I created, and we deal with there are around 18 columns in this movies data set, which are having 10 of type string type and one 3 of integer type and 2 are decimal type, and other type are three columns. Okay, these are the 18 columns we have in this movies data set. Okay, while dealing with the movies data set, the we are see identifiers the unique identifier for each movie, ensuring easy reference and retrieval, and tiles and overview essential details about the movie, including its title and brief summary of the movie, like that. Okay, we'll see in when we see the data. Let us see this data set also. See, this is in the here. This is how the data set will be. Title and all. The same what I was explaining, the PDF, right? See here, the title and overview about the movie and the brief summary and ratings and votes. Okay, and there will be different rating and votes for a movie. Information on movies, average rating and total votes and reflecting audience reception means how the audience have received the movie. It says about the movies ratings and votes about the movie, that popularity we can take from that. Okay, financials, data on movies budget and revenue, allowing analysis of its financial performance. Okay, these are the financials we deal with the data. Okay, in that data we have movie, how much budget was involved in production of the movie, and what is the, even if it is a planned movie, and how much they are planning the budget and all those things, and how much revenue generated from that movie. These are the attributes we say in general term, or the column names which indicates the budget and revenue spent, revenue earned from the movie and budget spent on the movie. Okay, and release and status. Okay, these release and status is the details about the release date and current status, whether it is released or upcoming, means it is in production or planned or room or something. All these status, different status, the category of the movie, the status on which the means whether it is ongoing or the status, we can say in general terms. Okay, and demographics. Okay, that demographics indicates whether movie is suitable for adults or not. Okay, like this, it is a like a family watchable movie are like restricted to the Ubaria movie or something like that. Okay, and language and production. Okay, language and information on the original language, production companies, and countries involved in the film creation. Okay, it simply indicates that which country is producing that movie, and in which language the movie is created. Okay, this is what. Okay, and generation popularity, classification of movie into genres and popularity score, providing context on cultural impact. Okay, how much this impacted the society, all these things will take from this. This is the takeout from the movie, how much popularity. Okay, how much it is. It indirectly indicates how much revenue also generated depending on. Usually, it is the more popular means usually the more revenue will be generated like that. Okay, and overall, from this data set, these are the valuable resource for analyzing trends, performance, and characters of the films within the cinema industry. Okay, these are what through this data set we will analyze the trend about the movie, all movies, the whatever in the use case of the movie, what is the trend of that movie and performance, and what are the characters of movie in this film industry. We'll take out from that. Okay, this is the takeout of the this data set analysis. Okay, and see movie edit the distribution like this will be there. This you can have a this type of report also we can build. And but here we are not building in this way, they will build a different way we will be building. And these are mean and standard deviation and contact, these are the advanced concepts. This will be dealt in after 2 months we getting into advanced tutorials. And this is the totally unique values. Okay, different values. What are the titles? How many titles are there? All those things. Total number of titles in a movie data set. What we are using the CSV data sets. Okay, this movies data set is a CSV file. We can take these many titles are there. These many different movies are in the production and the plan rumored and released. All these. Okay, and this. The vote average. Okay, how much vote average. Okay, how much this is will not all these will be only will deal with release date and the status. The thing in coming classes we'll try to build on these graphs in different way. Okay, and I will tell why we are not able to going to build in this status for, because we are not have a company the corporate account, so that we are not allowed to install this extension or plugins or app source module, so we cannot be able to import. So we are not dealing with. I'll show you how we can enter. If you have a paid service or something corporate account, you can import. I'll guide you also how to import. And this is also like pie chart. Okay, this is also in the representation. Okay, you can have this. We should sort whether it is the dealing with whether it is a U bar A access move or something like that. We can predict from this. And the budget. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is the MBA. Okay, that I'll tell you. And see the column suitable for the with the progress bar. If we want a visualization, we want to do like. The visual when we want to visualize, you can take these are groupings, group set of columns to make a visualization. Here what we can make the production stage. Okay, if you want to check the production stage, we can have production status and release date. Here in our that the production status is nothing but status, the status. Okay, the status indicates that whether movie is cancelled, released, or rumored or something like that. Okay, okay, in the budget and revenue. Okay, this we can deal with the budget and revenue. Okay, these shows the percentage of budget that has been recouped through revenue. Okay, this is okay. And critical reception. Okay, the vote average and vote count. Okay, this we can predict the critical reception. Okay, how the public received the movie, the positive reviews and overall rating out of the possible maximum. Okay, this is the how the public or society received the movie content and everything. Okay, the subject of the movie, or title of the movie. In the similar way, box office performance, okay, worldwide gross budget, okay, and this is gross and budget, okay, this is how much the revenue or something like that, okay. So the percentage budget recovered through worldwide gross, okay. This is how after releasing the worldwide market in all world movies theaters, how much gross amount gained from the budget and everything. Okay, this is audience rating. Okay, we can take popularity and voting average. Okay, here this is a parameter how we can take the audience rating from two columns, popularity and voting average. Okay, I'll show you that also. Represent the popularity, the rating compared to benchmark or target. Okay, and runtime, runtime average and average runtime and general. These are three columns here taken. So visualization can be done from these three columns. Okay, this is how many days the movie is running in theaters and all those things. Okay, and release date. Okay, there is a time we can tell how much hours, how many hours or how many shows the movie has been completed, and like that we can predict. This is the analysis we can do. These are all the analysis on the data set we can do. These are called analysis. Okay, and release date and target release date. Okay, this is what. Okay, when the if the movie is yet to be released, and we'll say the when is it going to be planned and to release and all those things we can take out. This is the take out of the, this is analysis of the movie, the CSV file. Okay, in the prediction of the market, when if suppose in Indian movies will be trailer release and all those things like that. Okay, that's how, okay, we can analyze on what is the best date, if it release the before date or if it on date, and then any problems like that. After that, we can predict the uh, release date and target release date. Okay? And here, if so effective progress, here what happens if you build a progressive bar visualization, then we have to use clear labeling and consistent scaling. Okay, these are the progressive facility easy come. And color coding. Okay, good color combination should be used to differentiate the each things. Okay, different items in the subject. Okay, interactive elements. Okay, there should be tooltips and all those things. Okay, contextualization. Okay, this is the whole things we are dealing here. Okay, mm, this is a PDF. Okay, this is how we are going to deal all the things. Okay, and I'll represent only the this visualization. This report we will generate. Okay, this is the report we will generate. Okay, using this filters visualization data. Okay, I'll show you from the beginning now. Let us take new one. Okay, let us take new blank report. Okay, it's taking time. In the meanwhile, I'll show you where is my data set. See, movies, no, here, movies, and see, here, here. Okay, let me upload now. It takes time to upload. Okay, now, see, let us go to the menu called Home. You have to go to Home and you have to import here Excel workbook. No, sorry, not Excel workbook. Go to Dataset. Okay, okay, Dataset. You can go to CSV. Okay, go CSV. See, already coming. CSV. Load it. It will take time because the data set is having much data, so it takes time. Once it takes time, it's loaded. I'll show you. See, this is the view. Okay, here since we don't have to, everything is perfect. See what has happens in the transformation of the data. The when we need to transform data means there will be some null values or irregular values or something mixed in the, see I told mixed in the data. See how many languages, all these things. Okay, this is data. If anything is abrupt means not normal. Okay, it is like which is normal. We want to filter that. Okay, through filter we will do through the transformation of the data. So here everything is perfect. So we no need to transform here. So directly we can go to load. Okay, and before that I'll explain the what is movie ID. See, these are the movie IDs. Okay, and the title of the movie. Okay, this is the Dark Knight, or this is the movie Avatar of the Avengers. And okay, then the vote average. Okay, the see average vote. Okay, this is the vote average. Okay, so okay, this is there are around to first 200 rows it is showing. Now see the vote count also, how much vote count is. See whether the status, okay, released or not. This is the status. Okay, and we will see other status also in production or other filter and achieve and release date, when it was year and date and time, this day and month in which released. Okay, and revenue, how much revenue generated. Okay, in it is in dollars. Okay, and this is whether the movie can be underrated or everybody can watch the movie. Okay, this is first true. Okay, the budget. Okay, how much budget is was involved while before production and until it was released. Okay, and IMDb. Okay, this field I have to check. Okay, this IMDb. Okay, and the original language. Okay, this is the original language English. Okay, and original title of the movie and normal title. Okay, original title means full title, actual title. Okay, where were you here? Okay, this is inception knowledge. And the overview means there is a small description of the movie, what it deals with. Okay, the stars and everything. Okay, little. Okay, popularity, how much popularity it is gained in, like the decimals. Okay, with the decimals. And the genre means it deals with which kind of movie, it is a action movie or science fiction or adventure, all those things. Okay, it is a normal dramatic movie, just a small drama or like that. Okay, and a thriller movie, the different types of movie, the content, what about the what kind of movie it is actually. Okay, this is and the production companies. Okay, which are the companies involved in the production of the movie. Okay, and production countries. Okay, this way maybe see different countries are involved in, because maybe the budget is more and maybe different partners will be there to invest about the movie. Okay, these are people from different countries involved in the production of the movie. Okay, this movie, and the which are the languages. See, this is built in English, French, Japanese, and this Swahili. Okay, these are different languages. Okay, these are the columns. Okay, let us load now the data main columns. Okay, let us load the data. Okay, this okay, you have inputted CSV file, right? Yeah. It's loading. See different. You can see here label it. You can see since it is not loading it is not showing the label to tip here. You can analyze which type of graph it is using the visuals. Okay, and we have formatting also in this. What are the fields we can format? Okay, see this size of the movies.csv file it is showing. Okay, how big it is. Okay, and how many fields, how many MB it has now already loaded from the total size of the this the data sets. Okay, and as I explained in the previous class, these are the menus. Okay, the insert menu, modeling menu, view, optimize, L. Okay, these are ribbons. Okay, this is total is ribbon, and this is one category. Data is the category. In this data, we can import different files like Excel workbook. We can import, or one lake data hub. We can import, and SQL, from SQL server we can import the data, enter data. In coming classes I'll be explaining everything, how to import SQL server data and all those, and MySQL data or even PostgreSQL data and all those things. Okay, and we can build our own data just with the directly we can type, and we can, we have some information gathering from any department, we can type as in the same and we can work on it. Okay, and we can here also we can transform data. Okay, this transform code data will be done in the query editor. Okay, that is separate. The same it will move to the control, in that if you apply and close the data, then that will be moved to again this Power BI desktop, so that we can work on that. Where to transform data, this will be the window will be moved to query editor. Okay, on new visuals. Okay, we can add new visuals also from more here. All those things. Okay, more visuals. Okay, let it load. The router is loading. And meanwhile, I want to show you, let it load. Before that, we'll see this. Okay. See, this I already briefed about the information about this one. The count of state means this y-axis. Okay, I think the data is loaded. Let us work on it. Okay. See, once data is loaded, data is loaded, here it will come. Okay, the movies. Okay, these are the fields. I have already explained in the last class that sigma means we can, this is a summation or average, any operation we can do that. Okay, then it is called it will be represented with sigma. Okay, unless and until we will do check mark, it will not be loaded anywhere here. Okay, we can see the table data. The data is right. Total data you see here. We can filter the release status. See different status. Unselect this. Okay, unselect this. Okay, let me see in production now. Okay, if you say okay, see in production data. Okay, movies. These are all motion in production, and in the similar way, you can filter other things. Anything planned. Okay, still plan means just we can see. In similar way, you can post production all those things. See, this release dot in say this release date is already planned for this movie, so they are mentioned. If it is not, then still they are planning that they are working on it. Okay, and this like this. Okay, different columns. We can have see all these things. Okay, the same columns what we dealt in. Okay, the spoken language and production countries, all those things. Okay, we dealt. No, these are the. Okay. Since the movie is planned, there is no voting average or vote count. Okay. So if a movie is already released or something rumor, let's check rumor movie. Okay. Released or let us check rumor. Okay. See what are not there. Okay. Let now release movies. Let's say. See already the voting count is, if you scroll down, you'll get also voting count. See the voting count is. Okay, in almost the daily voting count and everything. Okay, the revenue, all those things are similar. Okay, and see we can check the model relationship. And see this shows the as is in MySQL data. Is there any relation or different? Here, since we have only one table, and there will not be any relationship to another. We can build our own relation also here. That in coming classes I show how to build a relation between our own relationship to the this data, and we can work on it according to our we can customize if you want to generate different kind of report, and we can filter and we can design our own relationship and do that. Okay, let us now. Okay, this is now I want to deal with, I told no, release date and status. Okay, let me first here now go to our chart was there, right? First chart was this one, right? Now chart. Okay, this one. Okay, now let me chart like this. Now x-axis, so here is the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now we'll pull the release date to x-axis. Okay, release date. Okay, now release date came. Now status to y-axis. Okay, okay, status. This how we can go, or else just you can click also, it will come whichever in selection. Okay, now legend. Okay, legend also we can move status. Okay, so you'll see the status. Let me enlarge this. Okay. So, okay. Now see, these are the release dates. Okay. This is the, sorry, release dates. See, these are the release dates. No? You can track this. See, it can be ascending also. Okay. This is a count status. Okay. And the status. This says the what are legends means the color. See blue, and this pink color means almost this is released. You have status also. See the which release date. Suppose see release date. Okay. Here releasing. Let me check release date. It will come. I'll show you next. Okay, these will count. Okay, this is the total count of the released dates. Okay, the status count. One all movies, pink means the released movies, where it is, I'll show you the pink color. See, released. These are total. We have much of the released movies in the data set. So, the maximum it occupied the strength. How much? 150K means that much strength is there of the released content. Okay, blue means, see, this is rumored. Okay, this is blue content. Okay, this one. In the similar way, we have other colors. See this one. Let us see. Now this is enabled. Okay, this is cancelled one. Okay. Now in the similar way in production. Okay, see in production. The dark one. Okay, this one. This is the blue one. See this one, blue one. Like this. Okay. You can have planned also. See, it shows plan. Here it is enabled. Right? Like this. Okay. And we have the x-axis, the release date. The other one what you want to build, the other graph is this one, right? This is called multi-row card. Okay, you can build this. Okay, so drag it. Okay, let us drag it. Okay, let us let us drag it. Okay, let us drag. Okay, here now the again the same will stay. Now status. Okay, status. Okay. So we have device status. Okay, yes, now we are click outside. Okay, controls. Okay, now see, these are the statuses. Okay, the plan, the production, all those things. Okay, and now we'll have a release date also in this graph. Okay, now let us have a release date. Okay, this see now color change. Now you can change the colors also, the formatting. Okay, status, what was the status? Status was color was in blue in our format, right? Formatting here. Go here, the category labels, these are the labels, no, status, and the status is label category. Okay, so now we will make this color as some blue. Okay, okay, see now color change, blue one. Then suppose you want to change the values color, the cancelled and that 1 bar 11989, no? That is the now that will be color. Let us take it to red. Okay, okay, see now. Okay, you can increase the font also. See now font, no, just increase the font. Okay, just like 14. Okay, see increase. Okay, similarly you can work in it. So different. Okay, the production of this. Okay, you can do that. And similar way can table. Okay, if you want to generate a table, and here also we have the left bottom, no, here what happens, wait, format, right? Here what happens, cards. Okay, see we can have a bottom border and left border. See the border came. Okay, border, you can change the color also. See little color if you want, you can weight of the border, we can increase by 4. Okay, like that. Okay, where it is, but, one. Oh, see, control Z. Okay, here, click it and work on it. Click it, work on it. Okay, now the four, right? See, now, see thicker. Okay, now can increase the outline weight. Can, the background color also we can change. Okay, similar way, you can change the outline color also. Suppose you want to change the color to, see, you can change that. Okay, now you can just, okay, okay, you can change. These are the changes we can do like this. Okay, this row. Now let us say scroll it, it will come to me. Okay, now if you want to make it active, see this color. Okay, this you want to see, the really no, no color release date gone. Okay, let us change that color, background color. It is this file, is this one, formatting. Okay, card. Okay, let us make it gray only. Okay, normal. Okay, gray. Okay, see now you can see perfectly. Okay, the release date almost. since that was release date was not there, so that was not shown in production. Okay. Okay. Similar way, we can have table. Okay, here this to select table data, you'll see. Now drag it here. Here, see, table. Okay, this was the table chart. And here we are same. You can take the status. Okay. Status and release date. Where is this release? Just you click here. It is, you are already selected. You can move that. See, now it's come. Okay, you can have this. Okay. Just now let us align this. Okay, let us align this. Okay, okay, this align this also. This one. Okay, and this also you can align. And now see the visuals. Okay, this will close. This will close. This will also close. See this one. Okay. This will also close. Now see what if you are working on here or somewhere, it will also show you. See only cancel. Now if suppose click on here, you are working on this. Okay. See here data is reflecting which date you are clicking. 1/1/2004. See here also this change that facility the Power BI provides. If you want to view this only particular, you can see in table and here also in the card. Okay, you can stop this also if you don't want. You can stop this. See these are the status. You can remove this if you don't want status. The already status. See legend. Well, let's go to legend. Okay, here I think title you have to remove. Okay, filter. Let me check the filter. Okay. I'll tell you how to remove in the coming while dealing with this some other data set or something. How to remove this title or this title name. Okay, and now these are the things we did. See how simple we built everything is we dealt with the most. In the similar way as shown in the PDF, we can deal with other things. Okay, we can estimate the other things like this or the port count all this what I did. See this relationship, the critical reception, what is budget and revenue mapping, all those things we can deal with. Okay, this is how we can build a Power BI usage we can do on data sets. Okay, this was the we did, right? These are the things. Okay. As I told in the spring, most of the movies are released, so this showing you release. See, maximum we can check. I think count also. See, released how much. See, these many people. Okay, from 10,000 for no 10,48,570 movies. Around 10,27,001 movies are released. Okay, you can check this data like this. Okay, this we can analyze this data. If you want let ping me, I'll give you this data set in the URL and make a comment. I'll send the reply to your comment with this movies data set also. I'll upload there. Okay, thank you. I'm stopping here. Okay, just